Don't sit and wait for tomorrow. And right now, this is the day.
One thing I may do, I think I'm going to put a delay in front of this reverb, just because I'm experimenting with, may not use it, but I'm going to use a little delay thing on the verb. I turn the analog off because I don't think that the analog sound benefits it enough for the noise floor that it brings. Look at the noise. I don't know if you can see the noise floor or not, but you can actually see it jump up there. You can see some hiss going on in the master bus when this thing is on. So I am going to pull this down to about like a half note.
Shine a light in the darkness. Show somebody the way. Don't sit.
Okay, so now what I'm going to do is, since I'm going through a verb, I don't want the verb to be delayed by this much. I'm going to pull the mixture down to 0, and then I'm going to add it to the verb. So right now, with it at 0, there's no delay, or it's 100% dry going through this. So let's just see what kind of effect we can get.
Shine a light in the darkness.
Pulling up so we can hear it.
Show somebody the way. Don't sit and wait for tomorrow. And right now, this is the day. Open a light in the darkness. Show somebody the way. Don't sit and wait for tomorrow. And right now, this is the day. Open a light in the darkness.
Yeah, that's just enough mystery back there for me. So just a little bit wet. So we're getting mostly dry signal through here with just a little bit of delay. And I experimented with between a half note and quarter note. So that kind of gives it a little bit of mystery. And also I did the ping pong thing. So the verb is actually getting left and right individually. So it kind of spreads it out in the back there. I think that's kind of cool. So.